Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Rottie Ranch. Today I want to talk about one of the most reliable and hardworking herbs on the homestead, rosemary. Here on the Robertson Rottie Ranch, we planted 4 different varieties of rosemary, and that was very intentional. Different varieties offer slightly different growth habits, aromas, and resilience, and that gives us more flexibility in how we grow, harvest, and use them throughout the year. And that diversity also helps ensure we always have rosemary available, whether we're harvesting fresh, drying for later use, or using it around the ranch. From a health perspective, rosemary has a long history of use for brain health, memory, and mental clarity. It contains compounds like rosmarinic acid and carnosic acid, which support antioxidant activity, circulation, and inflammation balance. Rosemary is traditionally used to support focus, memory, and cognitive function, circulation and cardiovascular health, muscle and joint comfort, digestive function, and immune support. And even the aroma of rosemary has been shown to help support alertness and mental clarity. Sometimes just smelling it is enough to feel the shift. Having a sprig of it next to you while you're studying is said to help retain memory and knowledge. And on the homestead, rosemary is incredibly versatile. We use rosemary fresh or dried for cooking and seasoning, infused oils for salves and muscle rubs, herbal teas often blended for digestion and focus, and steam inhalations to support respiratory comfort. Rosemary also plays an important role in the garden itself. When planted strategically near vegetables, fruit trees, and vulnerable plants, rosemary can help to act as a natural pest deterrent. Its strong aroma helps discourage certain insects, and it's also known to help deter deer and other browsing animals. We use it as a companion plant near several of our fruits. That same property makes rosemary useful around the chicken coops as well. Dried rosemary can be added to nesting boxes or even scattered lightly in the coop bedding to help deter pests like mice and insects while keeping the coop smelling fresh. It's a simple, natural way to support a healthier coop environment without harsh chemicals. Dried sprigs and smoke bundles can also be used to freshen storage areas and discourage insects around entryways. Rosemary is a hardy, drought-tolerant perennial in many climates, and it does beautifully in containers, making it easy to grow close to the kitchen, garden beds, doorways, and coops where its scent can be most effective. One of the things I love most about rosemary is that it's both functional and symbolic. It's been long associated with remembrance, clarity, and resilience, which feels especially fitting for homestead life. And here at the Robertson Rottie Ranch, we focus on growing herbs that support the body, the home, and everyday wellness in practical ways. And rosemary is one of those herbs that quietly does it all. How do you use rosemary most? In the kitchen for herbal remedies or in the garden? In your coops? Let me know. And we'll see you next time. Bye.